This is the cottage where we are staying. See? Just beside the pool. That's your Tita Mel's house. The original house. And this is the pool. Remember? That's the original gate. Aalisin nila yan. There's one cottage there. Ito yung span ng span ng pool. And then the cottage. There you are. Just wanted to show you. So we're going up. Si Tita Mel. Oh.
Alam mo siya, mama, video ko.
You wait. At ano na. Pinapakita ko sa kanya yung cottage.
Dapat itong dati.
There.